For today's video, I am going to create 2D clothes using your phone only. So this is the new updated at ZEPETO Studio, and this is the easiest way to create clothes now. So please like and subscribe this video for more upcoming tutorials and for more vlogs in ZEPETO. And stay tuned because I will upload real soon how to create 3D clothes in Maya. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So the first step that you need to do is go to your profile, and then on the upper right corner you will see a settings. Just click on that and you will see a become a creator. By clicking on become a creator, you will be directed to the studio, and this is so much easier than before, because before when I started to become a 2D creator, I need to have a computer. Also, you need to download Unity before, but now you just simply go to here and you will be able to create clothes like what we are going to do. Okay, so now that I picked one, I will go click on it, and then we will going to design this template. So as you can see, it's just as plain as white, and below that you will see the template of the clothes or the item. So if you don't have the template yet, just click on the download template and it will go directly to your gallery. And now I am editing the template, and I'm just going to color it, and I'm using PixArt for this one since it's a user friendly for me, and I've been using PixArt for so many times. So this is what I recommend you guys, but if you have other editors, it's fine as well. Just keep on coloring until you achieve the design that you want on your outfit or item. From here, you need to go to blend and then click on multiply, and it will show you now the texture of the clothes or item. Because earlier you see it's just color, but now, ta-da! And now we're going to add some design to your item. So just click on the sticker and search for text or anything you want to add to your item. Just make sure it won't lead to any copyright, or it's much better if you create your own. But for today, we're just gonna use this as for tutorial, and just resize it as well as 512 because it's the standard of ZEPETO Studio. So this is how it looks like when you upload it on ZEPETO Studio, but I'm going to redo it again because I put the wrong color black on the other area. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it again. Okay, now that we're done, we just need to name it, and I'm just gonna name it as trial to the tutorial. And don't forget your tags so it will be easier to search, and just price your item. And we're done. You have created your first 2D items. So if you don't want to submit your item, just leave it there at drafts, but if you want, you can submit it and you will see it on the upper right corner. Okay, that's it for today's video, and I hope you learned from me, and good luck on creating your 2D items. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe this video for more upcoming tutorials. Bye!